Peekaboo friends, look at the big surprise eggs! Red, blue, yellow! Which one should we open first? Let's try the red egg. It's moving! Wiggle, 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 wiggle. What's inside? Well, a little lion. Peekaboo lion. Now, let's look at the blue egg. Shake, shake, shake. Crack, crack, crack. Quack, quack. It's a duck. Peekaboo duck. And what about the yellow egg? It's wiggly. It's silly. Oh, hee hee, I'm a banana. A silly banana. Peekaboo banana. Let's say their names together. Lion, duck, banana. Peekaboo friends. Time to say bye-bye. Bye, lion. Bye, duck. Bye, banana. All together now. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye.